we are going to discuss some basic things regarding solving the exercise number 6.2. Before solving the exercise 6.2, we'll discuss what is line of vision, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now dear students, now I am standing here and I am looking in front of me, and wherever my eyes are reaching the vision, whichever thing I am able to see, that is the straight line, that is called as the line of vision. If the angle is slightly upper side, so for example, we can take the example of standing in front of a big building and standing on the road, and we have to look upper side to the top of that building. That angle is called as an angle of elevation. That means we have to see upper side. So the line of vision, instead of line of vision, our line of vision is moved to the upper side. That is called as the angle of elevation. When we are going to look upside, that called angle of elevation. And angle of depression, that means exactly opposite example. We are standing on the terrace of a big building and we are looking the cars which are moving on the road. So we have to bend down our neck, that is the angle of depression. So the arrow is shown here downwards, that is angle of depression. So we'll see the examples depending on angle of elevation and angle of depression. These two words are coming in the word problem of exercise number 6.2, and on the basis of that we have to understand which angle we have to consider for the solving example. Now we will see the exercise number 6.2. Now the students, first question of 6.2 exercise is like this. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church. One church is there. One person is standing in front of church. It is having distance 80 meters between person and that church. Looking at his top means he is looking upwards. That means he is showing angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is also given 45 degrees. Find the height of the church. Now, dear students, keep in your mind, always while solving the examples of regarding trigonometry, we have to consider a right angle triangle. Now, I am making one right angle triangle here, like this. This is the height of the church, and one person is standing here. For example, I am drawing like this. One person is here, standing here, and he is looking at the top of the church. That's why we'll join this thing with the help of scale. Now it looks like it is the triangle. Now this wall of the church will show the perpendicularity with surface of the earth. This person is standing 80 meters away from the church. We'll give the name A, B and C. The person is standing at the C point 80 meters from the church, and he is showing angle of elevation of 45 degrees. Angle of elevation means he is looking upside to 45 degrees. Now we have to solve the example and we have to find the height of church while using the formulas. Now in solution we write like this. Let what is the given information? AB. AB is height of church. We have to find church, that is x. We have to consider as a x. Now BC is distance of person from church. Now keep in your mind, this person is standing here and the church and the person is having distance 80 meter, that is BC is equal to 80 meters. And angle of elevation means what? Angle is represented by theta always, that is 45 degrees. So while keeping in mind these given things, we have to find the height of the church. Now this angle 45 degree, we have to consider these two things, that is opposite side of theta and this is what? Adjacent side of theta. This will continue in the tan position. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of theta divided by adjacent side. Then I will solve here. Opposite side of theta is what? AB. Therefore tan theta value is what? 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore instead of tan 45 we put 1 is equal to opposite side is what? AB and adjacent side is what? BC. We will substitute the value, that is BC is equal to 80 degree, 80 meters, sorry, AB upon AC, 80 meters. Now this we have to find the AB, will keep AB as it is. This 80 in denominator will go either side, will multiply with 1, that is 1 into 80, that will become 80 meters. Therefore we will get the answer, that is height of the church is what? 80 meters. So everyone have to understand, when the opposite side is asked, adjacent side is given, we have to take the formula of tan theta. The tan theta's trigonometric ratio formula is what? Opposite side of theta. That's why theta is given 45 degree. Tan 45 is equal to 1 and this distance of BC is given, and we have to similarly find among these three values, two values are known, third value we can find out, and therefore AB is what? 80 meters. So height of church is what? Height of church is 80 meters. This is the answer. Hope so you are going to understand, and we'll solve the second example. Now, in second question, we are going to see the question is given like this: from the top of the lighthouse, an observer is looking at the ship makes angle of depression of 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Now, for understanding this question, this is word problem, we have to understand first the question. First of all, we have to prepare the diagram which is suitable for solving the example. Now this diagram is totally right angle triangle. We have to prepare the diagram in that format only. Suppose one observer is standing like this. I have made one line, and the line of observation is this. This is called line of observation. If he looks straight, the person is standing here, that is at A point. This is point B. Okay. Now this person is looking down. The angle of depression word is coming. Angle of depression. Depression means what? We have to see the downward, and somewhere here a sheep is standing like this. Now he is observing the sheep looking downwards and making the angle of depression